Have you ever stared at your toilet's flush buttons and thought, why are there two? And why is one bigger than the other? Most people didn't even realize the genius behind those buttons. But what if I told you this tiny detail is saving billions of gallons of water worldwide every year? And there's a fascinating psychology behind how it changes the way we flush. Here's the thing, the toilet is one of the biggest water users in your home. In fact, flushing alone can waste up to 30% of your household's daily water usage. So engineers designed a smart solution, the dual flush system. But how exactly does it work? And why are the buttons different sizes? The larger button triggers a full flush, releasing about 6 liters of water, enough to clear solid waste efficiently. The smaller button triggers a half flush, usually 3 liters, perfect for liquid waste. It's a simple idea, but it changes everything. Here's where psychology comes in. The size difference isn't just practical. It influences how we use the flush. Our brains associate size with importance. The bigger button naturally draws attention and feels like the default choice, while the smaller button invites us to make a conscious decision to save water. Now, here's the clever part. Because the full flush uses twice the water, if everyone pressed it every time, water usage would skyrocket. But thanks to the two-button design, users subconsciously monopolize their choice. They often pick the smaller button when they can, effectively reducing water waste. This is a real-world example of the monopoly effect, where giving people simple choices steers them toward a more sustainable habit without feeling forced. Imagine millions of homes worldwide saving thousands of liters of water every single day just by using the smaller button. That's the kind of tiny change that adds up to a massive environmental impact. Water conservation isn't just about big projects, it starts in your bathroom. The dual flush system was invented in Australia in the late 1980s by an architect named Bruce Thompson. Since then, it's become standard in many countries, transforming how we think about water use. Plus, some toilets even have smart flushes that adjust water automatically. So next time you flush, take a second to think, are you saving water with the smaller button? Small habits like this can lead to big changes. If you found this fact surprising, hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing everyday mysteries. Did you know? Comment below, do you always use the small flush or the big flush? Let's see who's saving more water.